Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to do the hard reset of your Blackberry 9900. The operation can be helpful if you doesn't remember the password to your Blackberry. So first of all, Blackberry should ask you about the password. So write many times password after you see it to write the Blackberry. Do it. Okay, now one more time password. Next step, continue to write the Blackberry. This is the last mate that if you don't hit the password, your phone gonna be resetting. So okay, and the last option of password, accept, and that's it. Now phone gonna be starting with the new firmware without any password and passcode on your phone. So you gotta have your fresh phone, but you will delete all the files which you have been on your phone. So that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.